Good afternoon, Anel Hershey, and this is my career choice PowerPoint and video. This, the career that I chose to discuss was social services analyst. This is done through the Department of Children and Family Services. Some of the duties would be included are applying and interpreting the laws that and regulations that regulate social services and DCFS. These laws are given at all levels, federal, state, and local. There's also program directives that I would need to be able to apply and interpret um, for each individual program that the client is using at that moment. And also there are agency policies and procedures that must be implemented as well. Another duty would be to interview the clients or applicants to assess the support services needed. Why are we intervening in their lives? What kind of help do they need? I would be a case manager where I would be able to follow individual families through various procedures. I would have to be able to explain the program to applicants. I would have to monitor the program participation and determine and ensure compliance, making sure that the participants are adhering to the laws, regulations, directives, policies, and procedures. I would also investigate and enforce child support cases. The minimum education needed is a baccalaureate degree, which is what I am currently enrolled to receive at the end of this semester in December. There are some substitutions that can be used, time and workforce and other things, but I would be using the bachelor's degree. My education plan is to graduate in December of 2022 with a bachelor's degree in marriage and family studies with a focus in child development. I've always been interested in how children develop, and many parents do not understand the developmental stages, and they make mistakes based on not understanding what the child needs developmentally at specific times and stages. This degree will allow me to help children and families by teaching parents to be better parents by helping them understand what their children need at the various stages of their lives. This is a picture of me. I'm helping my husband build some furniture, but that's me. Marriage and Family Studies is the degree that I chose to pursue because I think that was at the time when I started my education, that was the degree that I think would help me the best be able to work with families and children and parents to be able to strengthen the families. So some of my reasons for choosing this degree were to help families, to strengthen families, to help children, and to teach children and parents. And some of the reasons from the book for choosing psychology are to learn about ourselves, improve the quality of life, and help diverse populations. Improving the quality of life can be done through strengthening families and helping the parents learn to be better. And I would be working with very diverse populations by working with DCFS. Thank you.